famous, okay? You're big realtor of the.
No,
you driving Lamborghini, Ferrari. Okay, take a deep breath. Inhale, exhale.
Tight or
A little bit.
Okay.
But you get better, yes. Even the machine tell me.
You can tell?
Yes, like the machine, like you say 4-5, I turn power a bit high. Uh-huh. Oh, good. Okay, on that. Go sideways up. Oh, okay. Okay. Relax over back, give me some space. Relax, okay? Relax. Okay, lean back, okay, relax.
And I think
Maybe
a
that's
little
a
progression.
little better.
progression, yeah.
Okay.
Because it's very even, so it's not like one spot is pain.
Okay, so you feel better?
Yeah.
Okay, so like, because I try to post you on YouTube, right? You're famous, okay? You're big realtor of the.
No,
you driving Lamborghini, Ferrari, and then so how do
famous?
so how do people find you? Like you have the business card, like you have the business card with you. I mean, like so when I put it on YouTube, I just
Yeah, I have a business card. I'll give you a business.
Oh yeah, give me a business card. Okay, good.
I'll give you a business
Okay.
card. No, it's,
Okay, perfect.
maybe social media.
Social media, and then your wife have
Work
like
and-
maybe
yeah.
500,000, 1 million followers.
Yeah,
So-
500.
Oh, it's
million
like
followers.
crazy.
Yeah, but she has her own followers.
So they say a lot.
Yeah.
Yeah. So and then you're famous too. You're so successful.
I'm okay.
Are you okay? I put.
She wanted to be famous.
You want to be famous? Okay. So it's okay. I put you on like
sure.
business card on YouTube, right?
Of course,
Okay, good.